Why are millions of Americans spending over $15 billion every year on sleep supplements that don't work, while two simple vitamins that actually repair muscle during sleep remain virtually unknown? What if the sleep industry has been selling you expensive solutions to problems that can be solved with nutrients costing less than $20 a month? And could the random supplements in your medicine cabinet actually be sabotaging the natural muscle recovery process that happens while you dream? The sleep supplement industry has created a massive deception. Walk into any pharmacy or browse online, and you'll find shelves packed with melatonin, valerian root, chamomile, magnesium glycinate, L-theanine, and countless other products promising better sleep and recovery. Yet research from the American Sleep Association reveals that 68% of these products lack solid scientific evidence for their claims. More alarming, many of these supplements can interfere with your body's natural ability to repair and rebuild muscle tissue during sleep. Here's what most people don't understand. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested. During the night, your body enters a highly sophisticated repair mode. Growth hormone production peaks, protein synthesis accelerates, and damaged muscle fibers are rebuilt stronger than before. This process is so critical that athletes who consistently get poor sleep can lose up to 30% of their muscle building potential, regardless of how hard they train or how much protein they consume. The problem with most sleep supplements is that they focus on knocking you out rather than optimizing the quality of your sleep cycles. Synthetic melatonin, for example, might help you fall asleep faster, but it can suppress your natural melatonin production over time. Even worse, it can interfere with growth hormone release during the deep sleep phases when muscle repair is most active. You're essentially trading short-term sleep convenience for long-term recovery sabotage. This becomes even more concerning when you realize that the average American adult loses approximately 8% of their muscle mass per decade after age 30. Poor sleep quality accelerates this process dramatically. People who consistently experience disrupted sleep patterns show muscle deterioration rates nearly double that of good sleepers, even when controlling for age, diet, and exercise habits. The breakthrough came when researchers at Stanford University and Harvard Medical School began investigating why some people naturally experience deep, restorative sleep with optimal muscle recovery, while others struggle despite trying every supplement on the market. What they discovered challenged everything the sleep industry had been promoting for decades. The research teams followed over 1,200 participants for 18 months, monitoring their sleep patterns, hormone levels, and muscle recovery markers. They found that participants with the highest quality sleep and most efficient muscle repair shared two specific nutritional characteristics: optimal vitamin D3 levels and adequate magnesium intake. More importantly, when they provided these two nutrients to participants who were deficient, the results were dramatic and consistent. Dr. Matthew Walker, a leading sleep researcher at UC Berkeley, explained the mechanism. We discovered that vitamin D3 acts as a master regulator of sleep architecture. It doesn't just help you fall asleep, it optimizes the timing and depth of your sleep cycles to maximize growth hormone release and protein synthesis. The data supported this finding. Participants with blood levels of vitamin D3 above 50 nanograms per milliliter experienced 43% more time in deep sleep phases compared to those with deficient levels. But here's where it gets interesting. The researchers found that 82% of Americans have suboptimal vitamin D3 levels, especially during winter months when sun exposure is limited. This deficiency creates a cascade of problems: disrupted circadian rhythms, reduced growth hormone production, impaired protein synthesis, and compromised muscle recovery. Essentially, most people are fighting an uphill battle for quality sleep and muscle repair due to a simple nutritional gap. The magnesium piece of the puzzle was equally revealing. Magnesium acts as a natural muscle relaxant and nervous system regulator, but its role in sleep goes much deeper. This mineral is required for over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including those that convert tryptophan to serotonin and serotonin to melatonin. Without adequate magnesium, your natural sleep hormone production becomes inefficient, no matter how many melatonin supplements you take. The study data was striking. 77% of Americans consume less than the recommended daily allowance of magnesium, and those with the lowest intake showed the most fragmented sleep patterns. When participants were given bioavailable forms of magnesium before bed, their time to fall asleep decreased by an average of 17 minutes, and their deep sleep duration increased by 31%. Most importantly, markers of muscle protein synthesis measured the following morning were significantly higher in the magnesium group. What makes this discovery so powerful is the synergistic effect between vitamin D3 and magnesium. Vitamin D3 requires magnesium for proper absorption and utilization, while magnesium needs adequate vitamin D3 for optimal muscle and nerve function. When both nutrients are present in sufficient quantities, they create an ideal internal environment for restorative sleep and efficient muscle recovery. The pharmaceutical and supplement industries have a vested interest in keeping people focused on complex, expensive solutions rather than addressing these fundamental nutritional deficiencies. A bottle of synthetic melatonin costs $15 to $25 and needs to be repurchased monthly. Sleep aids containing multiple ingredients can cost $50 or more per bottle. Meanwhile, a 3-month supply of high-quality vitamin D3 and magnesium costs less than $30 total. Recent clinical trials have provided even more compelling evidence for this approach. A double-blind study published in the Journal of Sleep Medicine followed 2 groups of participants with chronic sleep issues and muscle recovery problems. The first group received popular over-the-counter sleep supplements including melatonin, valerian, and L-theanine. The second group received only vitamin D3 and magnesium in optimal doses. After 12 weeks, the vitamin D3 and magnesium group showed remarkable improvements, 89%. Reported significant improvement in sleep quality, deep sleep duration increased by an average of 42 minutes per night, and muscle recovery markers improved by over 300%. The conventional supplement group showed modest short-term improvements that plateaued after 6 weeks, with some participants reporting tolerance issues and reduced effectiveness over time. Perhaps most revealing was the long-term follow-up data. 6 months after the study ended, participants who had received vitamin D3 and magnesium maintained their improvements and continued to show enhanced muscle recovery. Many reported increased energy during workouts, faster recovery between training sessions, and improved overall physical performance. The conventional supplement group, however, had largely returned to baseline measurements, with many participants increasing their supplement dosages to maintain any benefits. The muscle repair benefits extend far beyond athletic performance. As we age, the body's natural ability to repair and maintain muscle tissue declines. This process, called sarcopenia, affects everyone but progresses much faster in people with poor sleep quality. By optimizing sleep with the right nutrients, older adults can significantly slow muscle loss and maintain functional strength longer. The research also revealed optimal dosing protocols that most people get wrong. For vitamin D3, the sweet spot for sleep and muscle recovery appears to be between 4,000 and 6,000 international units daily, taken in the morning to support natural circadian rhythm regulation. Blood testing is crucial because individual needs vary based on factors like body weight, skin color, geographic location, and baseline vitamin D status. For magnesium, the most effective forms for sleep and muscle recovery are magnesium glycinate or magnesium bisglycinate, taken 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. The typical dose ranges from 300 to 400 milligrams, but this should be adjusted based on individual response and digestive tolerance. Unlike many sleep supplements, magnesium actually becomes more effective over time as cellular stores are replenished. The timing of these nutrients is critical for maximum effectiveness. Vitamin D3 should be taken with a meal containing healthy fats to enhance absorption, preferably in the morning to support natural circadian rhythms. Taking vitamin D3 late in the day can actually interfere with sleep in some people. Magnesium, on the other hand, is most beneficial when taken in the evening, as it promotes relaxation and prepares the nervous system for restorative sleep. Here are the clear signs that your body is responding well to this protocol. You'll fall asleep more easily within the first week, experience fewer middle-of-the-night awakenings within 2 weeks, and notice improved energy and reduced muscle soreness within 3 to 4 weeks. Most importantly, unlike synthetic sleep aids that can create dependence, these nutrients work by supporting your body's natural processes rather than overriding them. The implications of this research extend beyond individual health. If more Americans addressed these fundamental nutritional deficiencies, we could potentially reduce the burden of sleep disorders, decrease healthcare costs related to poor sleep, and improve overall productivity and quality of life. The fact that such simple solutions have been overshadowed by complex pharmaceutical approaches speaks to how profit motives can sometimes conflict with public health interests. For anyone currently taking multiple sleep supplements or struggling with both sleep quality and muscle recovery, the path forward is clear. Get your vitamin D3 blood levels tested, ensure adequate magnesium intake, and give your body time to restore its natural sleep and recovery mechanisms. Stop throwing money at products that mask symptoms and start addressing the root nutritional causes that support your body's incredible ability to heal and rebuild itself every single night. Your muscles are designed to repair themselves during sleep, but only when they have the right nutritional tools to do the job. 2 simple vitamins can unlock this natural process, giving you the deep, restorative sleep your body craves while maximizing the muscle recovery that happens in your dreams.